Hello everyone and welcome again to another episode of Splunk series. I'm going to be discussing how to add data into our Splunk platform. So at this point we are assuming that we've already created our account. We can already access the Splunk platform, and we already have existing data that we want to analyze. If you haven't done any of this, you can click on the link on your screen to view previous videos I have done with respect to this. And on that note, let's dive in. First on my screen, I've already signed into my enterprise dashboard. I'll click on add data. Then here, the next stuff loads. I click on upload, and then you select your log file, the log file you love to upload. Now that file is uploaded, is fully uploaded, and then next option is to click next. You're just scrolling through to see that everything was uploaded successfully. There's practice, and then you click next again. If you want to check the values, see if there's anything we want to switch. At this point, I usually prefer to leave most of the settings as default. So I click save. Okay, and now it takes us to the next screen where we choose our index. So I'm setting my index to main, and post field value, I would leave that as the default value as well. And then I click on review. I'm happy. I click on submit, and that is, this file has been uploaded successfully. And then I start searching. So at this point, your log is being loaded into your Splunk dashboard, where you can understand and explore whatever is going on within your system. That will be all for now. Thank you, and see you on the next video. Bye.